Today we will walk you through how to get started using your T4 IF compact tool, the installation fastening system in a smaller, lighter, more powerful design. We'll start by reviewing the components of your tool. We have the tool, nose piece, 2 batteries, and a battery charger. The fuel cell comes included with the purchase of each box of fasteners. To get started, remove the cap from the fuel cell and insert the fuel cell into the tool. Push down with your thumbs to ensure a proper insertion. Next, you will insert the battery next to the fuel cell. When it is fully inserted, you will hear a click. Check the energy level to see that the lights are activated. Check to see that the embedment depth is properly set for your application. The tool is now live and ready to go. Before starting, you may need to prime your tool 5 to 8 times prior to the first shot. Do this by pushing the nose piece down, pull the trigger, and repeat. You will hear the tool activate once ready. For safety, we have added a scaffold hook to the tool, which can be used by pushing down and rotating. When returned to the closed position, it can be used as a belt hook. For installation, be sure to choose the proper size fastener to work with your installation thickness. To begin installation, release the cap from the head of the fastener. Next, place the fastener on the end of the tool and push through the installation until flush. With the hand on the back of the tool for stability, push down and pull the trigger. Fold the cap over the hole to ensure maximum thermal efficiency. For more information, please visit ramset.com.